Hi, my name's Lauren McNeely. I am in the Postbaccalaureate and Master's program for Early Childhood Education. I'm originally from Lancaster, PA, and I did my undergrad at West Virginia University. I graduated with business management and I minored in Spanish. This is actually a second career for me. I have been in finance the last 8 years as a financial advisor, and I have worked at RKL Wealth Management throughout that time period. On Friday, I actually had my last day at that job and I'm going to school full time, so I'm really excited about that. I am married with a 3-year-old chocolate lab named Whiskey and a 6-year-old female tortoiseshell named Toby. And I saw a few of the other individuals in our class have chocolate labs too. So I don't know if that's a thing with early childhood education teachers, but that's pretty cool. I can't wait to teach children and excite them for learning. I have a lot of hobbies. My family is there in the middle. I have a sister and brother-in-law who live in Texas. My brother-in-law is in the Navy, and he is training to be a pilot. My parents are there in the middle, and they have just been a huge integral part of me and my change of career path and just huge support system with my family. I love DIY, so on the left I have a renovation project my husband and I did earlier this year, and we like to continue to do updates and improvements to our 1954 Cape Cod. I have a growth pattern there, it kind of cuts it off, but I'm just really into personal and professional development and success and growth and just bettering myself, and part of that was a career change. So again, really excited to be here. I am also into health and fitness, and I love to travel, and my faith is also very important to me. Experience with technology. So I don't really bite my laptop, but I feel like it sometimes. I get really frustrated with technology because I like to complete things pretty quickly and move on to the next thing, and that's not always how it works with technology. Being in the finance world, I have not used a lot of technology, especially to be creative. So this is going to be a challenge for me, but it's also going to be something I'm really excited to explore and actually, get better at. I know it's an integral part of education today, and the students and kids are just immersed with this in their daily lives. So I know that it's very important. I also believe it should be used as a catalyst to bridge information to students to help them understand and develop, instead of being in replacement of books or in replacement of the teacher. I really want it to be used as a support tool. The ISTE standards are actually really awesome. When I was reading over them, I was actually kind of envious of the children today and what they get to have in support of their education as far as information technology. I know that it's going to empower them. They're going to be digital citizens, being innovative, creative. Having technology and starting out with it at such an early age is really going to enhance their experience in life as far as where the world's going, because technology is really an integral part of society, like I said. So I'm excited to be here in this class and to learn and promote technology in the classroom, and I look forward to the weeks that are to come.